All right, I told you guys, if you watch Nvidia stock over the next few days, it's gonna jump. Um, what's his name? Jensen Huang just had his keynote this morning, and I think once the stock market opens up, I think it's gonna trend upwards. That's just my gut feeling. I know I predicted last week that it's gonna go up to $1,000. I'm not a stock picker or a financial guru or anything like this, but if you think about it, Mark Zuckerberg made an announcement with the Metaverse, and in order for you to participate in the Metaverse with Oculus and all this stuff, you need a good headset, you need a good computer. And what does every computer have? It has chips in it. And Nvidia basically created GPU. So if you want to make a quick buck and maybe you're skeptical and you're like, you know what, I don't know if this is for me right now. I don't know if I necessarily believe that every single person on the planet is going to have a computer, and I don't necessarily believe that there's a shortage right now of chips, and I don't believe in supply and demand. If you don't understand those principles and stuff, then this may not make sense to you. But if there is a shortage, and Jensen just made an announcement this morning, and there's actually a replay, I think, in like 3 hours or so. Might even be on YouTube now. And you can watch the whole thing, and it's going to change the world. It's literally going to change the world. They are a big player, and they're about to make some moves. So just if you don't believe me, just watch during the week and watch how Nvidia actually starts creeping up. I think it's going to hit $1,000. That's my humble opinion, just based on supply and demand and what's going on. Every PC computer has these chips in them. So I say just keep an eye on this company. Keep an eye right now. Last month, it was just under $200. Now it's over $308. So that's $100. If you had bought like 10 shares, that's $1,000 you would have made in basically 30 days. So I'm thinking it's gonna continue to climb. Am I a huge investor in stocks? No, but I do follow trends. I do my research, I do my due diligence, all this stuff. I'm reading The Intelligent Investor. Warren Buffett, I will say this, Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger do not like the tech stocks. They do not like it because it's so volatile. This stock could go up to $1,000. It could drop back down to 200 or 150. Maybe at the end of the day, the true value of Nvidia is $100, $150. Maybe that's the true value. Right now it's $300. Is it overvalued? Possibly, but can it go up? I think it will. I think it's gonna go up. Maybe it'll come back down after Christmas. Who knows? But what do people do during Christmas time? They buy PlayStations, they buy computers, they buy gifts, all kinds of stuff. And if there's a shortage, if there's a backlog, that price is going to go up through the roof. That's my humble opinion. Take it or leave it. It's up to you. I know what I'm doing. And like I said, I think everyone should have their own business. At the end of the day, you should have your own course to sell, your own program, and you should have your own company, because then you could write off a lot of these courses that you buy as well. So that's kind of cool. And then take a percentage of that money that you make, put it into investments. Buy real estate if you want, buy Bitcoin, whatever you want. I personally like to buy things that I use. So I like to invest in things that I personally use. So that's the way I look at it. Anyways, see ya.